Hello and welcome back to the channel Into Tech. Today I want to show you a feature that not many people know about called emergency bypass. Now this feature, emergency bypass, will allow your phone to ring from any contact you enable it with, even when your phone is in silent or do not disturb mode. This is a very handy thing to do for family, friends or loved ones who may be unwell, or if you want to just give them the ability to contact you day and night for a genuine emergency. Now as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so that you don't miss the next video. Right, so the first thing we need to do, go on the phone icon and go to favorites, as the likelihood is the people that you would want to use this for you will ring the most, so they will be in your favorites. If not, find them in your contacts and go on their profile. With the contact now open you wish to enable this for, in my case my mother, click on edit in the top right hand corner, scroll down and select ringtone. Once there, toggle on where it says emergency bypass. And that's it, you're all done. Now your phone will still ring loud and receive calls from your contact even when you have silent and do not disturb mode enabled. Thank you for watching until the end. I do hope you found this video helpful. If so, please do consider dropping a like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one.